How to send fireworks in iMessage. What's up everyone? Welcome to another tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys a quick and easy way to send fireworks in iMessage. But before getting started, make sure to like the video down below and subscribe to the channel. Don't forget to turn on the bell icon to get notified about our latest uploads. Now, let's begin. So the very first thing you need to do is open up your iMessage and find the contact that you want to send message to, and you are just going to enter their number or their contact details. Once you have done that, you can write your message. So here is a simple hello. Now, in order to get to the option to select the fireworks, you just have to tap and hold on the send button like this. And once you do that, this menu will pop up right here. So you will get this send with an effect, and by default it will be selected on the bubble screen. You just have to head over to the screen on the side. So once you get to the screen tab, here is send with echo, send with balloons, send with confetti. There are a lot more like spotlights, send with love, and finally you'll find send with fireworks. You just have to swipe your screen, and once you get to fireworks, you can just go ahead and tap on the send button. And once you send the message, the recipient will see the message like this. That's how you send fireworks in iMessage. I hope you found it helpful. I'll see you guys on the next one.